Hey, what's going on out there in the world, ladies and gentlemen, men and women, males and females? Welcome to another video, Stocking with your boy Profit Peeps, where all the real smart investors earn more money than lose money. We're going to talk about the S&P 500 today, ETF for newbies who don't know nothing about investing, who trying to get in, who's trying to turn their money into profits, okay, who's trying to earn more money instead of lose more money. Okay, so I'm gonna walk y'all through the process. Like the video, subscribe, share the video. Okay, I'm gonna be bringing y'all live videos where I'm just talking. Y'all can see my brown skin face, and I'm gonna do videos where you won't be able to see me. You'll just see videos, you'll just hear my voice, and I can talk to you that way as well and try to switch it up a little bit. But pretty much we're going to discuss the S&P 500. All right, it's a ETF. Okay, and the standard is a Standard and Poor's 500, or simply the S&P 500 is pretty much a stock market index tracking the performance of 500 large companies listed on the stock exchange in the United States. It's one of the most commonly followed equity indices. As of December 31st, 2020, more than 4.6 trillion was invested in assets tied to the performance of the index. You know, the S&P 500 index is a free float weighted capitalization weighted index, and the 10 largest companies in the index account for 26.4% of the market capitalization of the index. The 10 large companies in the index in order of weighting are Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Alphabet Incorporation, Class A and C, Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan Chase, Johnson & Johnson. For a list of the components of the index, see lists of S&P 500 companies, the components. Okay, the components that have increased their dividends in 25 consecutive years are known as the S&P 500 dividend aristocrats. Index funds that track the S&P 500 have been recommended as invested by Warren Buffett, Burton Michael, and John C. Bogle for investors with long time horizons. Although the index includes only companies listed in the United States, companies in the index derive on average only 72% of their revenue in the United States. The index is one of the factors of computation, the Conference Board leading economic index used to forecast the direction of the economy. The index is associated with many ticker symbols, including GSPC, INX, and SPX. Depending on the market or website, the index value is updated every 15 seconds or 1,559 times per trading day, with price updates disseminated by Reuters. The S&P 500 is maintained by S&P Dow Jones and Diced, a joint venture majority owned by S&P Global, and its components are selected by a committee. So hopefully you guys learned something, and I want y'all to understand the fact that, this is something that will track all of these companies for you. So you don't have to go on an individual fundamental. You don't have to really learn. You can learn the companies. It's important you do so. But if you don't know what to invest in, you don't know where to start, you can get into the S&P 500. It'll track all 500 sectors, and you'll be pretty much taken care of, because they do a great job on tracking these and staying in the perspective to where as though you'll gain some money. Okay, it's a great time. It's good to jump in at a support level, because it will come down. It comes down at times. And, when it comes up, you can hold it or you can snatch profit, whatever you do, rather invest in or trade in. Okay, but most of all, I just want you to understand, winners roll with winners, leaders roll with leaders, and good followers always follow good leaders to become a good leader. Y'all be safe out there. Peace and love. Stay positive, and if it's negative, run away from it. Get out of there. Your boy.